Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, How to Day Trade Moderna. We identified a bull flag, it's still a bull flag. Let's see what I was talking about in my last video, and then let's discuss what happened today so you could develop your trading instinct. Let's jump into that video. We are holding support, so I'm still holding this as a bull flag pattern because I am expecting a higher move to 350 in the short term. Tomorrow we'll see if we close below this line. And there you have it. We have a target of 350 or higher in the short term. It's by the dip. Check my previous videos. We are not looking to short. We are looking to buy at all times. However, we know that the market likes to trick trap and frustrate us, so we are prepared to trade the downside at any moment. Our gap trading and short selling strategy, our fundamentals that we have, that's all available on Patreon, is what is the guiding light. It saves us so many times over and over again, and we discussed this in the trading video. So remember, I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for entertainment and education purposes only. If you enjoy this content, like, subscribe, comment below. I'd like to hear your thoughts and engage with you in the comments. So let's get into the chart and analyze a Moderna. And there we have it, Moderna on the docket. And whoa, lo and behold, what happened today? We had that higher gap up. We bought 60 shares here. It went against us, but we did not waver. Why? Because we have a strategy, a plan of action. We said if it was going to close below here on an hourly basis, then we would be in trouble. It'd be trouble for the bulls. It didn't happen. We tested once, maybe twice, this level of support, and I was willing to take the overnight risk. I normally don't in this situation. I did. Why? Because the bull flag was still intact. At the end of the day, so this is the bull flag I'm talking about. We had some volatility right in between, but this is the bull flag that I'm talking about here. We had some volatility on the long side too, and coming back down. And ultimately, the target is 350. To me, this is another bullish pattern. We ran a test quick to 341, came back down to support, because now look, this is the breakdown candle high. This is the breakup candle high. That is now an area of support, and you saw that it was support here and it was support here. So on an intraday basis, we do have a bull flag. So I'm only looking for a continuation where, well, back up here at 350. We poked our head up quick here, right? As we ran a quick test, 5 minutes. We were up there for 5 minutes. It didn't hold, and now we built energy down here, and I think we're building up enough energy to move higher. So how do we trade this? How do we get ready for tomorrow? And again, it's the same setup. We're going to look for if we gap up. This is part of the fundamentals. This is one setup. Gap up, come into the number. You buy the closing price, which is roughly 340. If it comes into that area hard and fast, within the 15-minute, half an hour mark, it has to come in within that time frame, the first 30 minutes. After that, it's not as effective. If you miss that and we end up having a breakup candle, that is a buy signal. So a breakup candle is similar to this. I bought this one, right? It didn't work for the day, but the next day it did actually. That comes with experience, and normally I don't recommend holding overnights, but in this particular situation, I did it for obvious reasons. And so, we really have to start closing above this candle. So what we can see is a breakup candle, and then we start closing here on a 15-minute, half-hour, hourly basis. That will set up some energy here to make them move higher. So that's what we're looking for. Again, at any point in time where we have a gap down and breakdown candle, we're going to short it. We will going to hedge our position and short it. We're only up a couple dollars here. We got in at 338. It's like 340. So, we're holding it, and we're kind of making this a swing trade, which, we're deviating from the strategy. But I really like this pattern, and I think that, if you zoom out on a daily basis, you have gaps to fill. You have this gap to fill over here. Right, it's good. The price is going to get there, And I normally don't look at the markets, but if we look at, the SPY, we're making all-time highs. We're going to make all-time highs tomorrow. What about the QQQs? We're going back to all-time highs. It's bullish. Usually that pulls the rest of the market. So hopefully you learned something. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'll see you tomorrow.